I had always been able to talk to my kids, but now I couldn't talk to my kids. They didn't want to talk to me about anything. The computer and technology and cell phones, you know, all the texting, everything that's going on, has only taken our kids and educated them in one direction and completely taken them away from learning the basics about nurturing in the family and having feelings for your family, let alone your community. Set it down on the table. 9 times out of 10, they want to play it because it looks like fun.
My experience with the talkie jar is good. I like it. I think everybody should play it. My dad is not that good. I like the questions, how they are, and I like the tally board, how you have like the squares, blue, purple, and you get to put them on, and we get to talk to the person.
I like the fact that I'm not the one that's coming up with the questions, which sometimes kids are like, oh, Mom, I don't want to talk again. Do we have to have a conversation? So now instead of, it's kind of like telling your kids, you're going to have to clean up your room, but they don't want to clean up your room. It's like, let's make a game out of it. So it's the same idea, and that's what I like about it. It makes a game out of something that we know is important. They don't know that it's important, but if you make a game out of it, it makes it more fun.
We are very open with each other, and we can talk about anything. And we can be straight up with each other, like I am with my parents.
What I like best about the Talking Jar series is that the way it directs you to specific questions, and it actually makes you think about things that you really haven't thought about in a while.
I like hearing the stories that we end up listening to, because we are always asking in the car, tell us a story or something, and then they say, I told you all of them, and then when we end up giving them a certain question, they find out new stories, and we get to hear more of them that we never heard before.
And the best part about it was that we actually learned a lot more about each other with certain questions that would arise. In certain instances, I learned things about my parents that I never knew, because some of the questions bring out certain topics that you've never spoken about with your parents.
When you're having a great time with your kids, you learn a lot because things come out.